Hey, what's up everybody? I got a quick tip for you today on how to avoid the ugly error page in Infusionsoft that your site visitors get sometimes when they fill out a form and maybe they don't enter all the information. This page is super ugly and definitely is going to kill conversions, so we want to prevent users from ever getting there in the first place. So let's grab a computer and check this out. So here you go, we've got a great form here, and oh yeah, I didn't tell you this was going to be a course in copywriting as well, right? Do you need to opt in right now? If you just can't wait to opt in and get serious benefits, just enter your info below and all your wildest dreams will come true. All right, so here's our form. This is our Infusionsoft form we embedded on the page. And if someone fills it out and maybe they forget to enter one of the fields, for example, they forget the email address, they hit submit, they end up on this ugly page, which again is going to kill conversions. So we want to make sure that we always avoid sending our visitors to such an ugly page. So here's the quick and dirty, easy way to do this. So I'm using WordPress, but it doesn't really matter what platform you're using. I'm going to show you how to go in and fix this form so this doesn't happen. So I'm going to edit the page. I also use WP Bakery for our page builder, but again, doesn't matter. I've got the raw HTML for that form right here. So I'm going to go ahead and edit that raw HTML. Here's another tip as well. Infusionsoft now includes the placeholder in the input field itself as well as the label. I just think that is redundant and makes the form ugly, so I get rid of the labels. So just double click on the label lines and delete them. So I'll get rid of the first name label and the email label, gone. Now we have our first name field and our email field. And if they're required fields, then all you do is just put required equals required, just like that. And put it in the input field. It doesn't really matter where. I'll just put it at the end here. And then I'll just paste it into that one as well. We'll go ahead and hit save. We'll update the page. And then we'll go visit the page. And the copy is just so darn compelling, I can't help myself. I've got to opt in. By the way, you can see now the labels are gone. The placeholder is there. That's what this is called here. The placeholder is when it shows what that field is inside the field. Okay? So it's just a cleaner way to do it. So I'll start typing in my name here. I'm going to forget my email address again. And I'm going to go ahead and hit submit, and you get this, please fill out this field. So this is standard HTML5 stuff. Now all browsers will honor that required equals required tag inside the input fields. So that's the super easy way to make sure that no one ever gets on that really ugly page ever again. You see, if I hit submit, it's going to find the first one of those that has a problem, first name in this case, and then if I try and hit submit again, see it errors out on this one. It'll work the other way around as well. Any field that's required. So I'll just put my email address down here, but I don't have a first name, and it reminds me, oh yeah, I need to put that in there. And now if I hit submit, it will let me through, and I'll end up on a great thank you page, and everything will be great. The user never visits that ugly error page. So hopefully that tip helps. Stay tuned. We'll have more coming your way.